In my company, I'm quite different from everyone else, while others are always trying to curry favor with their superiors or those in a higher position. I just focus on improving my own skills. To me, relying on others is never as good as relying on oneself. Moreover, I hate brown-nosing. In my opinion, people who do that are incompetent. Because they lack ability, they try to win over their superiors so that their work will be smoother if any problems arise. In your company, do people often talk about someone behind their back? In my workplace, it happens every day, and it's honestly something I really hate. I've also been the subject of their gossip when I'm not around. Therefore, I never participate in those conversations. They're different from me, and I'm different from them, so they don't like me either. Are you different like me? And are you afraid of being too different from everyone else? Not only that, are you an introvert or an extrovert? I'm an introvert. I like going out, but only with a few close friends. I enjoy spending time with people who share the same mindset. I can be completely open with them without fear of being judged. I hate noisy crowds where many friends gather but actually dislike each other. They hate each other but still have to meet up to feel like they belong to a group. I'm not like that. I'd rather be alone than join a fake group of friends. I value quality over quantity. I have one best friend and just one. We've been friends for over a decade. We live in the same city but don't see each other very often, because we both have our own jobs and lives. However, we're truly best friends. Whenever we meet, we spend quality time together. That's about my work and friends. As for love, I have a very different perspective. People around me value having a husband or boyfriend. For them, it's the top priority, even if their marriage is unhappy or they are disrespected by their husbands. Some even have to work 12 hours a day because their husbands refuse to work, but they still endure the marriage. Ironically, they are the ones who often make fun of single people. For me, I value love more. I want to love and be loved. I don't need a boyfriend or a husband just to fit in. I don't care about quantity. What I value is quality. Once, I heard a great quote. There's no right age to get married, only the right time. Meaning, when you find someone you truly love, that's the perfect time to get married, no matter how old you are. I believe everyone has their own perfect match. Some people find them early, while others find them later, depending on God's timing. These are my different thoughts about life and love. What about you? Are you afraid of being different from everyone else?